Now let's look at the Yes Post Planner. I'm going to take this information from this table right here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to pull up the Yes Post Planner, which will start a new session. What this is going to do is it's going to take your customers' beliefs, and then it's going to ask you again what you're promoting, all of that. And it's going to give you a week's worth of social media content that you can post. Doesn't have to be video. It doesn't have to be text. It can be anything you want. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to season this with the information that we got from the Yes Path Planner. So I have that on my clipboard, and I'm just going to paste it in. And I'm going to hit the Go button. And now it's going to ask me a series of questions. What am I promoting? Make it the same thing that you put in the other one. What belief are we going to focus on this week? So that's from the results. It says here from your Yes Path Planner results. So I'm going to just put in Inner Fire. Who's the ideal client? Any seasonal themes. This is for me, on this example, I'm promoting a journal that's coming out for Black Friday. So I'm going to put that in there. You can put, again, anything that's pertinent to you in here. Will I be creating a video this week or focusing on written? Just to make it easy, we're going to do written. And then we're going to get a table. And it's broken down by day. If you're not posting every day, you just take some of these. But this is a plan for a week's worth of social media posts. And you can see on some of these, they have more than one thing on a day. So you get to choose what you want to do. So on Monday, it's an engagement question. It'll be different for everybody, so I'm not going to read through these. Tuesday is a you get me statement. Wednesday is you give me the hook. Validation question. Post description. A lot of times this is the video, if you're going to do a video. Thursday, conversation starters. And Friday is kind of a real talk or a meme or something like that. You take these, and again, you can tweak them any way you want, but this is to give you post content for a week around whatever topic you put in there using the buying beliefs that came from the first GPT. I would love feedback on these. Once you've used them for a while, let me know how they're working for you.